yakni benta jong khubor la wanras phi daga fatafat online shopping store.
O National Vice President ka Nationalist People's Party ni NPP uba Prestone tensong uloong bagi MLA ka Congress kinhap ban ino ya ka kam MLA lada ki kwa ban Pyniasoh siya ka party. Uba Prestone tensong habakran bagilap thay kubor hinan kasingi ka apsan tarik jeliu uloong ba umpat yoi ya ka jingkran na uweiru u MLA Congress bakin penpau bakidan ka jing angnut Pyniasoh bagi NPP. Syu uloong ru bagi kubor ba ka NPP kalalet banterwa banya trailang bat ka Congress kadai tang ka jimudol.
I did not see any official any official statement from them like that. I have not seen it. Nothing of that sort.
But are you open if they want?
Sorry?
But are you open?
No, if they want to leave Congress, they want to resign. I mean, open. We can. Yeah, they can join party. Why not? But see, they need to meet the criteria. Criteria means what? If you want to shift, or if you want to leave your party, then you have to resign as MLA, then join a new party. Otherwise, you will be disqualified.